Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a product review over a new lash applicator. Real quick, if you're new, I upload every Tuesdays and Fridays at the very least, and I do beauty reviews, project panning, and fashion related videos. So if you're into that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. This product was sent to me by the company Lash Binder, and it is a new product that's supposed to make putting on eyelashes a lot easier and a lot faster. This Lash Binder product does release tomorrow, March 13th. On the box it says the lash tool you'll ever need, so that is so cute and punny. Let's go ahead and open this box. It is a luxurious package, so it comes in this like, it feels like velvet in here. This is the Lash Binder. So it says Lash Binder. I will say the price is kind of steep, but I think it's because of the packaging as well. I mean, it is really nice packaging. I do have a link down below. I do make a little bit of money off of that if you're interested on trying this product and supporting me. Let's just see how this works out, and hopefully my camera will stay in focus. So I'm apologizing again in advance if I'm staring at the viewfinder, because my last videos, it just would not stay focused on me. These lashes, they're not the Kiss Spicy lashes. They are from Ardell. I lost the little plastic thing that they were sitting on, but I think these are the Ardell Wispies. Not demi wispies, but just like regular wispies. The only thing I've done to my lashes so far is I've just curled them. Let's just zoom up, get on with this review, or this demo I should say. So I have two mirrors. First I have my regular face mirror, and then I have my little compact right here. I was using tweezers, and I've never could get a hang of using the let's see, I have it right here. This one is from J Lash. I got this in a eyelash giveaway that I won like forever ago, but I can't ever use these either. So I think this is kind of like the same concept as this, but this actually holds the lash and this just helps you stick on and go. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's a difference. This doesn't stay closed, this actually stays closed. I don't even know the best way to show you guys. I guess like this is the best angle I can get it, and kind of just pinch the lash right there. Hope you guys saw that. So it looks like this. Hope you guys can see that. I'm trying to give you guys like a 360 view. If you already know that a lash is going to fit you, you can just stick it on, right? But if you've worn lashes before and you know they're going to be too long, then you can go ahead and measure them first and then cut. Always cut from the end of the lash, not from the front, but from the end of the false lash. You want to cut from there, and then you put it on your little lash binder. And I'm going to turn the lash binder upside down like that and just get a really good coat. You have the spots right here wherever you want to set it. You want to wait for your lash to dry, so just turn the lash, or this product where it says Lash Binder, just turn it like that, and you can wait a few seconds for the lash glue to set. I'm just going to do this for time's sake. Let the glue get really nice and tacky, because this is supposed to just be like a you set it on and you're done type of thing. So there's an instructional video that I'll link down below if you want to watch that as well. The woman says in the video is, I think her name is Cassandra, if it's the maker of Lash Binder. I don't know if it's her or not, but anyways, what she says is you kind of tilt your head back, like put your chin forward, and you look into the mirror, and then you just place it. But typically when I apply a lash, I always take my little handheld mirror and I would always like look down in it. So I would have it really like nice and angled down, and then I would look down and just like apply the lash. I'm gonna try both ways. I'm gonna try the way that she instructed, and then I'm also gonna try the way that I usually do it. I'm gonna try her way first on this eye. So she was talking about how you keep your, I mean, I wanted to be nice and up close, but if you want to watch the instructional video, she says to have your arm out like this and not like this in front of your eye. Like, you don't want to be blocking, you know, your what you're doing. You want to put your arm from here to here. I know it's hard for me to like show you guys because I'm so zoomed in right now. She said to kind of have the mirror like eye level. So let's try to do that. I know you're gonna see it peeking just a little bit. I think my glue is ready, and let's put the arm out. Hopefully I'm not blocking you guys. So sticking the chin forward and then placing the lash, and then just to get. And then, oh my god. Yeah, no. Oh gosh. I think it's these lashes. Yeah, I don't know what the heck is up with these lashes. I'm really not feeling these lashes. Why on earth did I pick these? They're like straight. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Well, anyways, besides the lash, it looks really crazy in person. It probably looks crazy on the viewfinder, but I mean, like, it worked. I stuck it on there, and you had to like kind of press, like whenever you land the lash on the eye above the lashes, you kind of have to like put a little bit of pressure and kind of wiggle it from, like, not wiggle it, but like kind of move it from one side to the other, so that way you get the edges nice and glued down as well. I'm trying to press the lashes together to kind of like fuse them a little bit. This doesn't hurt, by the way. Like, if you pinch your lid, the skin or whatever, it doesn't hurt. Can y'all see how crazy these lashes are so straight? I don't know what the heck happened. I'm gonna try to curl them. Okay, I think that helped a little bit. Going back to Lash Binder, this is basically what it's about. I know it says, you know, you're supposed to eliminate the use of a tweezer, because that's really not safe. You can poke your eye. This actually, it worked. And to be honest, this is my second time using it. The first time I kind of messed up. A little bit of a learning curve, okay? So this being my second time, I was able to get a hang of how to use it on just my second time. Kind of wanted to get a little bit comfortable with this, and even though I've already used it a first time, you can see like how easy, and I felt a lot more confident in using this Lash Binder applicator. You could be lucky and just like get it on the first try, but I could not get it right on the first try, to be honest. So the second try, it's working a lot better. I'm going to wave this around, and then on my other eye, I'm going to use my compact and I'm going to look down. Okay, I'm going to try to turn sideways, so I'm so sorry if it goes like blurry, but here we go. I'm going to do it how I usually do it when I have tweezers. Okay, so looking down. Putting pressure. And off. Alright, boom! Ugh, besides these ridiculous, crazy big lashes, I did not have high expectations with my first time using this, and I was struggling. But the second time, I'm like, whoa, I got a hang of it. Like, this is so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I think I actually do prefer looking down into a compact mirror versus a mirror and then tilting my chin forward. I mean, I know those are the instructions that she had mentioned, but it's kind of just like what you usually prefer, what's comfortable for you. You do not have to purchase a product, but if you do, thank you for supporting me. I just wish maybe the packaging was more travel friendly. This box is kind of bulky, to be honest. I just wish they might have spent a little less on the luxurious packaging, just so that way it could be a little bit more travel friendly. This product already, it doesn't feel cheap at all, which I adore. I've used high quality products to put this together. Is another reason why the price is so high, because it does feel really nice and sturdy. It's a really good product, and I enjoyed it. This is going to be sitting out on my vanity. This is really great if you know any working makeup artist. This is great for applying lashes on a client. This would make it so much easier, you know, to just like stick the lash on your client, and that'll be good. Instead of using like their hands, and I don't know if they use tweezers, but that's kind of dangerous. When I had a makeup artist do my makeup a few times, she always used like her hands. She never used tweezers or anything. Like, hello, tweezers are a sharp object. You rather have something that is nice and soft and it feels like silicone, like a really nice silicone. So it's, you know, like it's not, if it pokes the eye, it's not gonna hurt, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this demo and review for Lash Binder. This launches on March 13th, so that is tomorrow. Go to their Instagram, follow them, check out their stories, and see everyone's experience with Lash Binder. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Share this video with your friends. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.